Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money from KuCoin. We'll explore various methods, from passive income streams to more active trading strategies. KuCoin offers a diverse ecosystem for users to grow their digital assets. Whether you're looking for steady returns or higher risk, higher reward opportunities, understanding these options is key. Let's dive into the easy methods to start earning on KuCoin today. For passive income, KuCoin offers excellent options like staking and lending. With staking, you lock up your crypto to support network operations and earn rewards. Lending allows you to provide liquidity to other traders and receive interest. KuCoin Earn provides both flexible and fixed-term products, with annualized yields potentially ranging from 1% to over 50%. Depending on the asset and term. It's a great way to make your crypto work for you. If you prefer a more active approach, KuCoin's trading features are robust. Spot trading lets you buy and sell assets at current market prices. For those seeking higher returns, futures trading offers leveraged positions, though with increased risk. You can also employ trading bots to automate your strategies, potentially generating consistent gains around the clock. Remember to always practice sound risk management, perhaps using stop-loss orders to protect your capital. To maximize your earnings on KuCoin, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore a mix of staking, lending, and trading. Stay updated on new projects and promotions, as these often present lucrative opportunities. It's wise to start with a small, manageable amount and gradually increase your investment as you gain experience. Most importantly, always prioritize the security of your digital assets to ensure a safe and profitable journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.